Too many Toyotas. Hello everybody, this is Triple T or Too Many Toyotas. Beautiful day out here. Spring's here, I guess. Gretchen Whitmer said I can't mow my lawn, but I might do it anyway. Anyway, here we are with our Pulsar update again. All my mount fab is done. You see I got front mount right here, which I'll show from the bottom also. It's kind of just a straight across thing. I had to do a little bit of funny business with the original mount location there. There used to be a thing with like gears that came out like this horizontally, and then there's a bolt that went through like that with just a little torque mount that was like really wimpy and small. It used to hook up to the front of the trans on that. There was actually only 3 major mounts on the Nissan. That didn't even have 4. I did end up doing 4 on this one. You can see here I have this one nice and painted. I still have to paint the 2 that I made this weekend, that one and the back one. But I have this one painted, and then this one over here is done and painted. So I'll get under the car a second, then I'll show you. Alright, so here it is. We have a plate here with the little triangular reinforcements going up to this, and then we just bolted the factory front mount for a 93 Corolla to this, and then made our plate with washers and such with this really thick steel and this U-shaped flat stock stuff. And then that's just bolted to the transmission in the factory location. And then over here you can see there's this factory thing. This bolt comes through like that, and that bolt comes through from the top, so I had to cut this slot. And I just cut the ears off this and made this little flat plate that connects over here. So that's how that works. See where the cross member would have bolted up right here, and the exhaust is right here. So that cross member is no bueno, as they say. So, and then back here, we have just another flat plate bolted to the transmission with more of this U-shaped stock going over like this. And this is kind of sketchy, I'd agree, but I just have the bolt over here with the washer on the end of this, and then it's over here with the bolt. Let me get this thing flipped again. Kind of stupid. You know, I would have had my brother film again today, but you can't really do this any better with the cameraman. Sorry, I had to do a cut there. Anyway, this is the factory Nissan mount right here. And the cross member would have bolted there, which is kind of dumb, because then if you want to take this mount out and replace it, this circular thing, you have to take the cross member out, which, if it's rusty like mine, would be kind of an inconvenience. But anyway, so we have this U-shaped stock bolted to the transmission with this extra wing on it with some triangular reinforcement just to hold this there, and then I just welded this piece of U-shaped and then put the bolt through to the other side like this. And this whole setup is actually really solid. Like, get back up. I mean, if I try to shake this thing, it is not moving. Which, I mean, when I had 3 mounts on instead of 4, it was moving, but yeah, that's what I want anyway. It's an autocross car. Can't really move all that much. It's not like super rigid, it's just you can tell it's not going anywhere, as they say. So, anyway, that'll be all for today. I'm gonna put this thing away. Gotta do some more work on the race cars today, so I'll get it down out of here. It's been sitting right in front of the garage door here for a couple days, so, you know, it's kind of in the way. But, anyway, I still got the dash taken out and everything. It's just, I'm gonna do a full interior clean out on this thing, because it's just, like, you guys saw it. It was, kind of nasty in there. Take all the parts out of the back and all that next weekend, but anyway, for now, it's Triple T or Too Many Toyotas signing off.